Windows 10 is retarded.
Oh, okay.
I've got 4 gigs of free memory, and it's like, you don't have enough memory. I'm going to close this process.
What?
What? Since when does Windows have a
do
Noom
that.
killer?
Shall we?
I have a pistol. So...
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
I put a thing on the ground for you. Quick.
I got it.
Guys, either above us?
No, there's no one above us.
Then he's outside.
Yes.
Alright, you go through the main door. I'm gonna go through the balcony here. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, let's jam. I'm stuck. Oh, he's behind us!
What?
He's behind us!
Oh, okay.
Get him, Benny. Get him.
Other person! Oh yeah! Fuck you!
Nice.
You get the other one?
Yep.
Nice, good job.
Oh, he has good shit.
That was beautiful,
I'm
Benny.
getting a frying pan out of it. And a med kit, sweet. Okay. And a utility belt? Sure. Okay. Oh god, I'm getting shot from behind.
Same.
Vinny, turn around. Vinny, turn around. He's out of ammo. He's out of ammo.
Where is he?
He's not chasing.
Oh my god.
I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you.
I have like no health.
I don't
Pray
care.
no one comes around the corner, man, because I'm fucked if they do.
There should be
Oh my
one more.
God.
There should be one more.
Don't tell me that!
Shut
That's
up, bird.
hilarious.
Not now. I'm going inside the house.
This bird is great. I'm just saying.
Going up top.
Bird is an honorary member of Mumble.
I love birds. Bird is
Okay,
everything I
I have a
want in a
med
bird.
kit, Vinny, but I think I should use it.
Yeah, I might want to.
How do I do it?
Right click.
Wait, click on it? Okay.
Bird's got a whole story for you right now.
I don't understand. It's like 1 a.m. Shut up.
Telling you to shut off the fucking computer and go to bed.
It's, yeah, he's probably saying the same thing.
I have bandages, by the way. Do you need them?
Look
Oh,
out!
Fuck. Fuck, really? I thought you were with me.
Where the fuck did he go?
He
He's
freaking
upstairs.
he disappeared.
He went to- Oh shit! Fuck you! I am invincible!
I had bandages, so...
The dude legit
Oh.
disappeared. You guys saw that, right?
Yeah,
He
he
must
kind
have
of just
lagged.
vanished.
Wait, did you not kill him?
I did, but still.
Okay.
Bird, shut up.
God damn it.